Tú le peras con la papaya.
Hi everyone, my name is Miss Little and today we'll make Russian mushroom soup. For mushroom soup, we'll need champignon mushrooms. If you don't have these mushrooms, then you can use other mushrooms. After, we will need some potatoes, about 5, 3 or 4. I use 5 because I'm a Russian people and Russian people love potatoes. They use for soup some potatoes, for desserts, definitely. After, we'll need one onion, 1 egg, 1 carrot, and some dill. After, I will need some salt and my secret. I use 2 of this one. If you use pot bigger than this one, you can use more. If your pot is smaller than this one, you can use sorry, my ingredients are full down and I forget my head. So if you have pot smaller than this one, you use lesser than this one. After I tell you all the ingredients, we have to take a potato and use a vegetable knife and cut it. I use it with a vegetable knife. If you want, you can use with knife. Wait, it's really hard to cut it. Really hard. Ooh, ow. Ooh, magic! I just cut it and it all cuts. Okay, if I cut it all, I have to put it in the water and clean it. Okay, after I clean my potatoes, I have to cut it with my big knife. And I have to take this stick for cutting. Okay, so you have to cut like this in half, and then you have to cut it like this and cut it into 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and then we will have like these squares, and that's what we will have with another half. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Oh, I don't understand you what is happening at my kitchen today. There is like a ghost in here. So it's okay. I don't need to do anything. So we put our potato in a plate. You can use your hands and you can use your knife, but I use my hands. After our cutted potato, we will put in a pot. Oh, very big pot. Very small pot. After we put in this pot some water. So after we put some water, you have to put enough water for this one. Okay. We don't need this pot now, that's why we'll put it. We'll put a plate back and this thing too. Next, we will clean our onion from its skin. I need again this thing. And I will cut in half. It will be easier for me like that. Yes. And then we'll clean it from the skin. Clean it so it will be clean. Put it hot. It's not nice onion. Very not nice. And again, clean. Okay. After we have to clean our onion. if you don't want to clean it, then you just don't need. But I don't want to cry when I will cut it. Okay, then I'll put our rubbish there. Now we will cut it. This. Okay, I finished cutting my onion. I will put it back. We will don't need it for some time. Then I will take my carrot and I will take a grater and I will take a plate. And then I will wrap the carrot. Oh, finish. Finish. Ooh, okay, our carrot is wrapped already. So we don't need carrot now and we will put it back. Then we will need some mushrooms. Open it. We open our champignon mushrooms. Inside it looks like this one. And now the most important thing, you have to clean it. Okay, we clean our mushrooms already. And next we have to cut it. I will use this. Let's cut it now. First you have to cut it in half, like this. Then you have to cut it like this. And do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I not do it very good. I think you will do it better. And then we have to, oh, it's broken. And then we have to cut it like this. So it will not be very big. Okay, so I cut already all my mushrooms. Oh, and I cut already this one. Then we have to put our mushrooms in here. Very hard. Now I will use my knife because I don't want to use my hands. It's dirty. And put it in here. Then I will put this one out. I will take this plate and I will take my egg. And I have to beat it. Yes, I beat it. Oh. I pretty like it. It's not so bad how I know to do this. Because I cannot beat any egg yet. But now, nothing go in it. Okay, so we put the rubbish in here. And then we will put this one in here. And I will take my, where's my scissors? I didn't go, here it is. I will take my scissors and I will take my dial and I will cut it. I don't know how I will cut it because I'm a very bad chef. I cannot cook at all. Cutting, cutting, After we cut our dial, we'll put it in here, and then we will go to kitchen stuff. Don't forget to get your pot because we will use it in there. Okay, so here's our potatoes. We'll put it in the kitchen stuff. We have to wait until it boils. So we will close it with cap and wait until it boils. So we will not sit and just wait. So we will take our dripping pan and put it in the skiff. And then we'll put some oil. Put it oil, put it oil. After, we'll put it on fire about Wait until it's about a minute and then put some ingredients. Okay, so first we have to put our onions in the dipping pan. Put all of our onions. I will need some. Okay, it's full down. Oh, I find something to mix it. So we'll put our onions in. Okay. I will make my fire a little bit smaller because it's too big. Wait, no! And then I will take my carrots and put it again. Mix it with our onions. Okay, so we put already our carrots in. Now we have to mix it. Mix our onions with our carrots. Mix, mix. Okay, mix. After we mix our onions with carrots, we have to take our mushrooms and mix it with it. Put some mushrooms. Put all of our mushrooms and mix it. So for mushrooms to be boiled, we need about 5-7 minutes, and that's why I will leave my mushrooms in here. Okay, it smells very good. I think it's already ready. So we already mix it, and then I will stop my fire because I don't want to hurt myself. I stop my fire and put it back. So then I will take my 2 towels in here. Yay! And I will stop this fire. And take it with my towels. I want to be careful because it's very hard. Put our pot in here and then open it. Smells very good. So now we have to take our pan and put our vegetables inside of it. For me, it's very, very hard because it's very, very strong, and I cannot put it by myself. Okay. What? I forget to put my fire on. Okay. So it's about 10 or 15 minutes to wait so mushrooms and potato to be ready. So not to stand still and wait until it boils, I will mix my egg. Mix, mix. You have to do it very, very quick. Oh, I already beat my egg. 10 minutes is already finished. That's why we can try already our soup. I think it's very yummy. It's boiling, that's why it's finished already. Putting our towel in here. And now it's the secret time. We're opening the squares. Opening our boiling soup. Yeah, very hard. Yes, I open it. Open our squares. Put 1 square. Then put 2nd square. It's very yummy going to be because it's the secret thing. Yeah. Very, very fine. Okay. Then I will get my egg. The most important thing that you have to mix with it, but not only put it in here in egg. You have to mix your soup when you're putting it. have to stop the fire because we will put now the dial. Because if you will put the dial in the fire, it will look like poo-poo. It will be very, very dark. That's why now we have to put the fire off. I was so scared. Then we'll put our dial in. Oh, good. Put our dial in. Okay, we put it already. Oh, I look like a pig because I do everything very not pretty. Okay, so we have to wait. We have to use our towel, get our towel, and get our pot off from the stove. Be careful. Close it with the cup and wait until it's like 10 minutes, 7 minutes. Bye. Okay, and again, hello. So it's time to try our cooking. First, I have to take my pot into the table. It's really... Let's open it. Oi. Smells very, very good. It's time to try it. I will get my plate and my spoon, a big spoon. Take 1 cup of it and put in my plate. Okay. It looks nice. It smells nice, but I cook first time. That's why I don't know if my parents will get poisoned from this one. But how they say in Russia, приятного аппетита. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe. Bye! Look, I ate it all because it's so delicious. You have to try make this. Very yummy.